In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new budget using the Budget Manager tool effectively. Whether you're managing finances for a small business, a team, or even just personal planning, setting up a budget is a crucial step in ensuring your financial health and success. Let's start by navigating to the Reporting section. You'll find the Reporting tab easily within the top menu of your account interface. It's prominently placed so that you can access various financial reports anytime you need them. Click on the Reporting tab, and you'll be greeted with a list of all available reports. Go ahead and select All Reports. This is where you have a comprehensive view of your financial performance reports. Look for the Financial Performance section, which provides insights into how well you're doing financially. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Budget Manager. Click on Budget Manager to proceed to the next step. Here, the Budget Manager becomes your workspace where you can organize and visualize how your finances might look over a specified period. In the Budget Manager, you'll notice an arrow next to the current budget name. Click on this arrow. Doing so expands a menu where you have the option to manage existing budgets or create a new one. For this tutorial, you're going to select Add New Budget. It's simple to do, and it sets you up for customizing a new budget precisely to meet your needs. Once you've selected Add New Budget, the next step involves naming your budget. Be sure to give it a unique name that reflects its purpose, such as Annual Budget 2026. This not only keeps your records organized, but also makes it easier to find and refer back to later. With the name set, it's time to specify the parameters for your budget. First, you'll need to select a start date. This will mark when you want your budget to come into effect. You will also choose the budget period. Options commonly range from 3, 6 to 12 months. Decide on a period that aligns with your financial goals and planning schedule. At this point, you'll need to decide whether to start from scratch or import existing actual figures from your Xero account. This choice depends on your current setup. Starting with actual figures can offer a more accurate baseline if your past financial data is relevant. Once these critical details are set, click Update or Save. This action confirms your settings and inputs. To ensure everything is correct, review each entry meticulously. Double-check that all the information, like dates and budget amounts, are accurate and align with your intentions. Finally, click Save to finalize your new budget. Congratulations, you've just successfully created a new budget in the Budget Manager. Now, you're better equipped to manage future financial decisions, guiding you effectively toward achieving your financial goals. Happy budgeting!